How to sort on crypto.com. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Basnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can sort on crypto.com. Now, sorting via margin trading on the crypto.com exchange involves the steps such as first you want to sign up. As you know, sign up for crypto.com exchange. You can head into crypto.com. I'll just show you quick here, crypto.com/. So you want to go to this page and you want to sign up, or you want to log in. You want to open a margin trading account if eligible. Only if you're eligible you'll be able to do so. So after that, you want to conduct thorough research on the market and cryptocurrencies to be traded. Place a search sell order on the market, and once you do so, you want to set stop loss and take profit level. So this way easily you can sort on crypto.com. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.